may I know your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Muhammad Azizul Haq. You can call me Aziz.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, may I know about your hometown?
Yeah, obviously. My hometown is a beautiful place. The name of my hometown is Brahmanbaria. It's a cultural heritage and many famous things like song, sweets, and our rural area, some of handmade craft.
Yeah.
It's very famous in all over the Bangladesh, and some of famous person like Ustad Alauddin Kha, Ayat Ali Kha, and famous film actor in Bangladesh film industry, Alongir, and our one of the most famous poet Al Mahmud, all person in our Brahmanbaria district. So a lot of people are go abroad for their life lead happily, and our Brahmanbaria is one of the richest district for remittance. Is a huge respect for us, and Brahmanbaria is a 7 or 8 upazila, and my upazila is Bansarampur. All upazilas are very varieties, their own capability, and that's it in my hometown.
Okay, tell me some famous things of your hometown.
Famous thing is our Akhaura rail station. It's the longest junction in the Bangladesh, and it's Titash gas field, Ashuganj power station, and Horipod landlord palace, and our Howrah bridge, and a lot of big farm in our hometown. There's like APJ. The APJ people are worked there, and they lead their life bright. Yeah.
Okay. So tell me something about social media. Is it good or bad?
Yeah, something social media is good, but we need to try good use of social media. When you use control yourself, use limit, and you know about how to improve yourself from social media. This is the good side of social media. But you think you hurt someone, you spread someone's privacy. That is the bad thing of social media. So one thing is good and another thing is bad. It's up to you how you maintain your social media. If you use it's a good things, that is good. If you use it's a bad or wrong thing, that is bad for society, bad for you, and bad for your family.
Okay. Yeah. Then what do you think? Social media has a good side most or bad side most?
I think it's depend on person, and actually it's a good thing is more than bad things, because you learn a lot of things from social media. You know the source of learning, you know the source of business, you know the source of many criteria from social media. So I think if you enough matured, if you enough a good one, then good side is better than old side from social media.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
What is the dark side of AI?
Dark side of AI, it's one thing is our privacy, our information we give from when we install AI, but when you use AI, we give permission on our phone access. Yeah. That is the very dangerous thing for us, because someone says tomorrow the most powerful thing is information. If you have a lot of information, you destroy every country, every society. So I think the most dangerous and dark thing of AI is our privacy.
What do you think about your class environment?
Our class environment is good, but sometimes some student all time they mode in funny. So this time we will disturb and lost our focus about to study. So overall, our class environment is very good, and all are very dedicated for their study.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.